Hi friends, I am here to show you how to do your threes. So here we go. So you want to write them on the whiteboard, and I make sure I write at the top that it's for the threes, and then I spread it out like this, and it has to be written in these 4 rows. If you don't write it in those 4 rows, you won't remember. It's too many to remember, okay? So first I have my class sing happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear me. Happy birthday to you. And then I say this is the exact same thing, but we're doing our threes. So we go like this and we point, and we have to sing. If we don't sing, we don't learn. 3, 6, 9, and 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. Now I know all my threes. So I have them sing that a few times. We point to it as we sing it. After I know the kids have learned the song, the very next day, what I'll do is have them write it on their whiteboard themselves. I walk around and make sure that they're actually writing it in the different rows, because then they can chunk it and remember it. And if I feel like they pretty much know their song, what I'll do is the next time is I will underline it like this. And then I will erase just a couple. And I'll say, okay, class, sing. And it'll be the same time that they wrote it down so that they can succeed. We want them to succeed. So 3, 6, 9. Oh, somebody wasn't singing. Let's start again. Otherwise, I'm going to make you stand up and do it all by yourself. Raise your hand if you believe I'll do it. And they'll raise their hand. I'm like, ooh. 3, 6, 9, and 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. Now I know all my threes. And then I keep erasing, and then I'll have them come to the rug and write it down without me as they're waiting for their friends to come back to the carpet. And then they get even more practice independently. And then the last step on probably the 5th or 6th day, when I know they know it and they're starting to be like, ugh, I start singing with my fingers, and I go like this. 3, 6, 9, and 12, because 3 times 4 is 12. 15, 18, 21, because 3 times 7 is 21. 24, 27. Now I know all my threes. So again, I'll go 3, because 3 times 1 is 3. 6, because 3 times 2 is 6. Okay? 3, 6, 9, and 12. 3 times 4 is 12. That takes a couple of days for them to understand, a couple of practice times, because they're having to use their fingers and their brains to remember the song. But I don't do the fingers until I know they know that song. So hopefully that will help you with your threes. All of my kids go home singing, practicing it, and the parents are like, what is this song? So it really helps. I have college kids come back and tell me that they have their math facts memorized because of the songs. So I do the same technique with the 4s. I know a trick for the 7s. The 9s has a magic trick too, but I don't want to overwhelm you. And I always start with the 3s because they're fun and they're easy once you do the happy birthday song. So stick around if you want to learn some more tricks for multiplication facts. Bye. And it's almost Halloween. That's why I'm wearing this crazy outfit. You know me, I always wear crazy.